Hey y'all. Sorry, it's black. I'm so freaking bored. Sorry, I'm really tired. I'm not sure at all, but okay. So, don't mind my hurts inside out. It's currently 12 o'clock in the morning. And do I have to be up early in the morning? Yes. Do I care? No. Ugh. I have a squishy haul. Well, not a haul. Just like things. These are all squishies I've had for a long time. No, I'm joking. But some of them are squishies that I've had for a long time. And I used to have this tiny basket. And it's upgraded to this one. And it's kind of overflowing. Yeah. Okay. First we're going to start with the one I got today. I can even get it open. I don't have the box, but it's like this one. It's a diamond squishy, but I love it so much. I found this. We went to Walmart and Target, and we were trying on dresses for a wedding thing. And it was in there was a basket of clothes right to return, and it was hidden underneath the clothes, so I took it. Sorry to anyone that didn't want this, but I love it. And then I collect them all. I got the pink ones. I love it so much. These aren't squishies, but it's an orange poppin'. Let's get the crunch ready. Ready? Nice yellow poppin'. Nice blue poppin'. Baby Yoda poppin'. Nice. That's all the poppets I have. Okay. Moving on to big squishies. I have this pie thing. Nice. Then I have this sushi roll. I love it so much. Then I have this big cheese that I love. And I have this I also love. I think that's most of the big squishies I have. Now medium squishies.